Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. Is this the world's biggest French bun or what? Do you guys remember those? 1991 called and wants its French bun back. Do you guys remember Topsy Tails? Shout out to my figure skating days. Topsy Tails were a vibe. So today I am here with a Saint Laurent unboxing. Yves Saint Laurent. This is from one of my shopping vlogs at Bondi Junction. I stopped into the boutique there, and trust me when I say it is the most beautiful boutique. All Saint Laurent boutiques are really beautiful, but this one is like particularly beautiful, just the way it's laid out. It's got really good stock, like really good stock. If you're looking for a lot of small leather goods, sometimes they don't have them in the full color range, and if you know Saint Laurent, their leathers and their colors are just beautiful. I'm really getting into it. We did a vibe today. We took you all the way there. I'm really getting into their bags and SLGs a lot more. I think, you know, as collectors, or, you know, all of us like bag or label luxury enthusiasts, we sum things up. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. And if you're out there saying you don't, that's not true, okay? You may have abundance of money, but still, you have that money probably because you're really smart with it, and you'd go $3,000 for a Louis Vuitton handbag or $2,000, $3,000 for a Saint Laurent handbag. I've been really wanting to save up for the Louis. You go the Louis. Do you know what I mean? Like, we think it through. And even if you're like, la la la, I can have both, it's still like, well, I could have two, you know, Louis Vuittons or a Chanel and a Louis Vuitton rather than, like, Saint Laurent's still up there, okay? Prada's still up there. And just because they're not your hard hitters like Louis Vuitton, like Chanel is, like Hermes is, which are your big players, I feel like it does get bypassed in a way, and they are really, really gorgeous items. So when I stopped in there, I did have something like this in mind. I really did, and I have been gravitating to something like this not all summer, and I don't feel like it's seasonally based, meaning like only in summer you want things like this, bags like this. Spoiler alert. On top of saying it is a beautiful boutique, it is also full of the most gorgeous essays, girls and guys. I was served by a lovely girl and she was so hot, okay? Hot, like really hot. There is my proof of purchase. There's like a sexy guy in there. You would have seen him in my vlog. He's got awesome dreads, so sexy. They all just look so hot, and if you go into a boutique like that and they're just hot people, you're like, I gotta buy something just to buy something, girl. Here is the box, of course, stunning, so stunning. Saint Laurent packaging is so beautiful. It really, really is, and so substantial. Down inside, we have a little dust bag. You get a little care booklet down inside of the box, wrapped in the bubble wrap. And this beautiful, beautiful dust bag. Let me take the bubble wrap off. So, in its dust bag, showing you up close. I think I've said this before, but Saint Laurent's dust bags are just so substantial and gorgeous. And the bag I picked up, look at this. It is such a beautiful nude color, but it's not as dark, kind of blush pink as the Prada. It's a lot more of a nude, but it's got this triple stitching quilt. Beautiful YSL logo in this dusted brassy gold. So gorgeous. So this official name is the Becky double zip bag. It's kind of, I suppose you'd say, a camera bag style. There is stuffing in the middle there, but there is a middle compartment, very generous. You could just slip your phone inside there like that, and then you've got your other compartments with zippers either side, but that's just accessible straight away open, which I like that idea. The chain is attached and non-detachable from either side, and has the beautiful brass hardware, and then has a leather brake, which I thought was really nice too, a nice little feature. Main feature are these two zippered compartments, so acting like I guess a camera bag. However, not like the camera bag they have with the tassel. I tried that on as well, but it's compartmentalized. So I like that idea for just kind of like a quick grab and go. So tissue paper out of this. Oh, that was what was cool. The back of it as well, you can see has a card, its own kind of built-in card holder. So it's not really a pocket, it's its own sort of little wallet, which I thought was so gorgeous, like a wok. And these are really nice size zip compartments. It's not as if you're not going to be able to get enough in there. So this is the other compartment. It has no slip pockets inside. It is just one big compartment, and it's got Saint Laurent stamped on the back there. I vibed with the length of the chain strap with the leather break as well. It hits me nicely. It's not, you know, too long where it's sort of banging around and getting in the way of things, especially when you're checking out these days, hashtag COVID, and you just don't want your bag hitting stuff, I suppose. So it just came across as such a nice size. It is the Becky double zip shoulder bag, and this rate retails for, in Australia, $2,070. Full leather bag, not leather lined. Listen, versus canvas. See, that's the thing with these other labels is, yes, Vuitton is held up so high in its luxury stature. However, it is canvas. And a lot of people still write that to me, just saying, how do you pay so much money for something that's not leather? It's, you know, a fibrous material. It's a man-made material, which is so true. I have been using my mini flap from Chanel. So let's go ahead and show you quickly what we can fit in this guy. I had it behind me for aesthetic purposes. So that is what has been down inside my mini flap. Let's get this out and see it inside this Becky double zip. Alrighty, so first up, the wallet I have been using is the Recto Verso from Louis Vuitton. I apparently got heads up that this was really hard to get, possibly being discontinued, which I had no idea how that's possible because it just came out. However, the Recto Verso from Louis Vuitton, cards on the back, zip pocket if you do know it. This is my wallet, so we will go ahead and put that in the front compartment, but there is the card slots on the back, so it does kind of act like a wok. If you didn't want to put a wallet with actual cash like that to save space, you can put your cards on the back in the card compartment. I like that option. My 6 key from Louis Vuitton, this goes everywhere with me. I'm old fashioned, I have lots of keys. Still, I know, why do I feel like not a lot of people have key holders anymore? I'm like that dad from the 80s. Put that in the back pocket. It can't stand up. It is too tall for the bag standing up. I wouldn't want to push the zipper against it. I need my double facets mirror from Chanel. If you have not picked up one of these, I rave about them all the time. I need to get a backup just because this is really battered and scratched, and Zachy finds it and plays with it. He loves that it opens and closes. So pop that down with the key holders. My Apple AirPods, we need those. I'll pop them in the back as well. So there we have wallet, keys, and in the back zip we have 6 key ring, double facets mirror and AirPods, and then if I wanted to put more cards I can on the back that you can see there. So they're zipped up like that, and then you have this middle compartment, like I said in the beginning, just like so, that you can slip your phone in. Now my phone has a case, not that it's necessarily bulky, but there you go, so perfect, and it's all in there as like a runaround kind of clutch, but crossbody or shoulder bag, just to run to the shops, do errands. It's just that kind of handy size where it's not really that big, it's not too much of a fuss. Sometimes I feel like my mini flaps from Chanel can be like I don't know, this is just kind of like a quick grab and go, and I like that. So that is my beautiful Saint Laurent unboxing today for you guys. I hope you did enjoy that. It is a really beautiful bag. I will leave the links for it below in as many colors I can find, because Saint Laurent do a beautiful array of colors. Lots of neutrals, but colors too. So that is it, guys. If you enjoyed that video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, there is a button below. Guys, I would super appreciate that. I hope everybody is staying safe and doing really well. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.